Hello, Hot Wheel fans, Monster Truck fans. We have our Wednesday daily racing. We got the Zombie Rex getting ready to be opened up and start his Wednesday and see how many points he can get. He's got a total of 10 trucks, in which I had to replace one. I replaced him with that Bigfoot because his tire was broken. He had a flat, so I don't have a spare tire. He didn't have a spare tire, so we ended up taking him out. And he's out of commission till we get new tires. But anyway, we still have 10 cars that he can face. So let's get the T-Rex open and see how many points he can get. It's gonna take near as long as what I thought. Let's race El Toro Loco versus Zombie Rex. Alrighty, we got in the left lane, we got the Zombied Rex. And then in the right lane, we have the Zombied El Toro Loco. And I have added a hill into this race. Always got to improve, always got to change. If you stay the same, you'll find that change is better. Let's roll. Yeah, Zombie Rex is a pretty fast truck. He gets his points there. There we go. We'll put the winners that he gets the points on there. The losers we'll put on the backside. How about that? Sounds like a plan. Next we got the Wienermobile. Let's get him wrapped. Alrighty, we got the Wienermobile in the right lane. We have the Zombie Rex in the left. Oh, Zombie lost. The Wienermobile got his points. Actually, the Wienermobile don't get points, but you know what I mean. The Zombie Rex has only got 2 points. Let's race him up against the Incredible Hulk. We got the Zombie Rex in the right, Incredible Hulk in the left. Ooh, Incredible Hulk has got it. That was a good race. Incredible Hulk not letting him get any points either. Alrighty, we'll go with Motorsaurus next. Alrighty, Motorsaurus in the left lane. Sorry, in the right lane. We got Zombie in the left lane. Boy, Zombie is just not a very fast truck today, I guess. And he's straight brand new out of the package. Never been ran down the track until just 3 races ago. Next we got Zombie Rex against the Area 51 Patrol. We got the Zombie in the right lane. We got the Area 51 in the left. Let's roll. And tearing up the track. He gets his points on that one. Put him over here with the other ones. Alrighty. Now he gets Bigfoot. The new school edition, or a middle of the road edition of Bigfoot, actually. Actually, we'll call that the second edition Bigfoot. And there in the right lane, in the left lane is Zombie Rex trying to get some more points. Bigfoot got him there too. Go back and double check that, but I think Bigfoot got it. That's why he triggered it. Zombie Rex against Zombie the truck. Let's get him right. Alrighty, we got Zombie Rex in the right lane. We got Zombie the truck in the left. We got those points. So he's got 3 points so far. Alrighty. Now he goes up against the flamed Bone Shaker. Let's get them racked. Alrighty, we got Bone Shaker in the left lane. We got Zombie Rex in the right. Let's roll. Good race. Zombie Rex gets his points. Put him there. Grab him. We got 2 races left. We got Operation Stomp. Let's get them racked. Alrighty, we got Zombie in the left lane. We got Operation Stomp in the right. Let's see if he can stomp these points away. Nope. He gets more points. Alrighty, last race for Wednesday, which is the Zombie Dragon. Let's get him wrecked. Alrighty, we got Zombie Rex in the right lane. In the left lane, we have the Zombie Dragon. Tearing up the track, and he can't even make it down. He got all wobbly. Alrighty, so for Wednesday, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Lost 4 points. So we got a total of 6 points. He's the lowest accumulated so far. So we will go on Thursday, which is the last open one, which I haven't got a new one yet. So unless I break out one of my Bigfoots that I haven't opened. But anyway, we got Darth Vader for Thursday. We'll get them racked and we'll get them going. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you like. Have a great day and enjoy this beautiful weather that we have. Rain if you like it where I'm at.